Well, good morning from Crater Lake. It is 7:59. We've all woken up, and this is now where we're gonna show what happens. Well, not everything, but we're gonna show some stuff that happens in the morning. What's your name?
Emily.
Yeah, Emily. How old are you?
4.
You're 4. Did you sleep good last night? Yeah. You wanna show us what's happening? No. This is Mama Bear. She's making some coffee. Now this is the My Joe. It is Keurig compatible. So the K-cup just goes in there, hot water goes in there, and you just push. Just like that.
Paxton, hello!
Who are you?
Hello.
Who are you?
Paxton.
Peyton. And then this is the rest of our campsite. We have some chairs. There is a fire ban, so we can't put any fire there, but we brought a propane tank with a little fire pit. So we are in bear country, so every campsite comes with this little bear locker, right? So there's a little handle right here you have to push up in order to open it.
And then you can just put a bunch of stuff in there.
Bunch of stuff, yeah. And then even the trash cans and everything here have like bear proofing. One of the crazy things though are the birds. Now last night when we were cooking some dinner, now it was good dinner. We had some chicken adobo and some rice, so everyone wants that. There are some crazy birds that were just trying to catch some of the food.
And they attacked my food.
One of the birds attacked your food?
They attacked my mom.
They attacked you. Yeah, when she was doing dishes. It was crazy. Who are you?
Channing Tatum.
Channing Tatum.
Oh yeah, you should have dreams about him.
So those are the 3 O'Brien girls. Dylan, Flynn, and
Guys, I
Ethan.
can't do all of you.
Alright, that's it for now. We're gonna get some breakfast, which is, what are we having for breakfast?
Spam, eggs, and rice.
Spag noodles and rice. Is that a normal camping trip meal?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Watch out, Peyton. Careful. So we're just starting out on our trail. We got Emily out in front. Say hi, Emmy. They finally just got their dog. So they're talking about names. So let's see what this trail is like. It's a 2-mile hike. You're gonna walk across? Go ahead. So here's the story of what's going on now. The dog has been picked or chosen. Now we are fighting over names. So we had a Walt for a Walter. We had a Lee Harvey Oswald name, Sequoia. That's not bad, I like that name. And at the end of it, I'm sure you could hear it. Woo, there it is. We've made it. Careful, Emmy. Careful, Pax. Sure. Alright, so we made it up to the waterfall. We are now walking back. Bryn's in the mood. She's walking up front. I think she's done. Bryn, are you okay? You want to tell us of your experience? No? This is Emily. Emily, how was the waterfall?
Great.
Yeah, it was great.
And I wiped my hands with the water.
You wiped your hands with the water? But what happens if the bear peed in the water?
I don't know.
You don't know? But it's good. We had a kind of steady incline, and then right at the end, there's like a steep little climb. Nothing too bad. My back is wet from sweat, but that's all good. So, as I said in my previous video, we're going over some dog names right now. It's a heated debate. Bryn, if you had to name your dog. You don't know? That's a terrible name. Come here, I don't know. What are you doing?
I would name it depends if it's a boy or a girl.
It's a boy.
Oh. I would name it Coda.
Coda. Like the musical term coda, which means ending. No. From a Disney movie. Okay, if you had to choose a name right now, what would you think?
Nothing.
Nothing? Come here, nothing. What are you doing? Imagine you're outside in public with your dog and you're yelling at your dog. Nothing, come here. They'd be like, what is that girl doing?
What?
Crazy. Quick, you had a choice right now. You had to name your dog right now.
Midnight. Ozzy.
Midnight. Ozzy. Midnight. Just for your reference, the dog is a tricolored black, brown,
Really cute dog.
with a little white chest area. What would I name the dog right now? Kobe. For Kobe Bryant. Love me some Kobe. What's your problem with Kobe Bryant?
I don't know. I don't even watch him.
Patrick, if you had to name a dog right now, what would you name it?
Midnight.
We got 2 for midnight. 2 for midnight right there. That's cute. All right, well, the saga continues. We will see in the next couple months. We have an enthusiastic bunch here. Tomorrow should be fun. We have a 700-foot climb down from the crater ocean.
We're gonna do it.
All right, Pax, what'd you think of that waterfall?
It was just not fun.
Not fun?
It was like a total letdown.
Total letdown?
So you could hear it, and there was like a little waterfall, and then there was like a little creek, and that's it.
That's it. Would we ever come here again?
No!
No.
If you're a person that just likes to walk and doesn't like to have much fun, well, this is perfect.
Oh, look, there's a bridge.
Almost moving to take Alright, we just...
So here we go. This is the lady of the woods. There she is. Do you see it, Pax?
That's it?
What do you mean that's it? That's
The lady
the lady of the woods.
carved into the
I don't understand what it looks like.
It's a lady. Alright, here we go. Going down Cleetwood Cove. We're gonna see what this is all about. We got a photo shoot planned. Everything's all ready to go. Now the walk down is supposed to be really simple. It's all just downhill. If it's the walk up that's gonna be rough. Yet, man, look at this. Woo. We're all doing okay. How's everyone doing? Everyone doing okay?
Those are baby lizards.
Woo! Woo! Beautiful. Man, look at this. You are so welcome. Thank you, you too. This is where people have been jumping off into the water. Just right here, off that rock right there. There, into the water. Woo! Alright, so we are back from the lake. That was hard. That was brutal. I swam in the lake. Emily swam in the lake. Peyton swam in the lake. Dylan swam in the lake. Jillian swam in the lake. Paxton swam in the lake. Jumped off some rocks. It was cool.
I jumped off some rocks.
Did
I
you
also
too?
jumped off some rocks.
We made it up here barely. My legs are toast. Yeah, time to go eat because I'm starving. All right, so we haven't done a full walk around of our campsite yet, but we'll do one now. That is cooking area. That is also a bear cabinet. There is a fire ban, so we brought a portable fire pit, propane tank. That's what we've been doing for our fires. There's the crazy person. This here is where we sleep. This is the iCamper 1.0, first gen, and it's on a Ford Ranger truck bed, which we've raptor lined. I was trying to convert it to a 7-pin, which is why those lights aren't there, but I haven't been able to do that yet. So this is the annex for the iCamper, a lifesaver for us, because usually the dogs go inside there, down here, while we're all the way up there. But I'll show you a little bit different what we did this weekend. This right here is a drawer that I built for this vehicle. It's just 10 inches high and maybe, I don't know, 36 inches wide maybe. But usually the dogs are up here. Coolers aren't up here normally. The dogs are back here while we're traveling. Coolers are in the truck bed. But usually down in here, we usually put our clothes and our bags and like that, so they also take up room in the truck bed. So, and then for the vehicle build, we just have pretty simple. It's a Toy Tech lift. You can see it right there. Just a spatial lift for now. I am unfortunately rocking two 6570s, as you can see right there. The goal is to upgrade to about 285 or larger at some point. I had these on my Jeep Commander before I sold that car, and I only had like 4,000 miles on these tires when I sold them. So I just figured, you know what, let me just move them over to the Forerunner. So center front, or Dow Dynamics up front, Dow Dynamics there, C4 bumper. Now we did cheap out a little bit. We did just get the Nightlight 30-inch light bar there. And then right up there, we have our front runner roof rack. So we used to have the tent up there because it was like the only option we had at the time. But we found that as we were going through campsite to campsite, if we wanted to do anything at the campsite, like go hit some trails, we'd have to pack everything up. and then kind of go at it again. This way, with it on the trailer, nothing's on the vehicle. So if we want to go out and explore like we have done a lot this trip. So that's it. That's our kind of camp setup. Oh, inside. Yeah, I forgot to show you what it's like on the inside. So let me do that right now. All right, so this is our sleeping area. Well, not our sleeping area, but obviously we sleep up there. And usually the dogs we keep under here. We just have some kind of raised cots that they sleep under. But because it's so dusty and because we didn't have the dogs this week, we decided to put like this little 2-person tent in here. And actually the kids have been sleeping in there and it's been pretty nice so far. So it's just me and my wife right up there, and the 2 kids are right in there. And then that is a lifesaver, camp toilet. It's a pretty wide sleeping area, as you can see. Fit another tent in here. We could probably even fit another tent right there. So yeah, pretty good. We're not going to be using this for too much longer, because in November we are getting an Aero teardrop. Now I am super excited about that. That's going to be a great addition for us. We're hoping that when it is done, we'll do a couple of camping trips with it right away, just to kind of test it out. And it'll be in the winter here in Oregon, so it'll be nice. All right, well that's it.
Yeah, hey.
I don't like dancing.
She does. Her favorite dance is this one.
Oh, get it! Woo! It doesn't quite go with the music that's playing, but that's all right. Okay, that's just offensive. Okay, no, I'm kidding. All right, well, we're gonna hit up our Ranger program right now, and we'll do that. So we'll see you guys later. All right, bye.
So these are Pacific tree frogs, and this recording was made at Quillmort Pond, which is about 4 miles south of the Rim. And birds, frogs, and insects vocalize together.